अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि मन मात्रै भएर हुँदैन तपाईहरुसँग एउटा fully prepared mind चाहिन्छ if you are well prepared with your mind then of course you can learn English very easily effortlessly and without having any difficulties and trouble before that you have to learn vocabulary vocabulary is the trick of learning English vocabulary like I want to learn pronunciation this is vocabulary pronunciation and I have to make a sentence with this vocabulary like my pronunciation is good short sentence your pronunciation is good short sentence his pronunciation is good change your vocabulary and say bad your pronunciation is bad so this is the super fantastic trick of learning English this is CP sir if you are searching any kind of video to learn English then don't go anywhere this Khatri Institute is the best place for your learning English. Let's collaborate each other and learn English. I will share some tricks. You will share some tricks. And we have to be together and we have to learn English. I will keep helping you. And I will keep uploading this kind of video. Short videos and long videos. What lesson do you need? Tense, vocabulary, grammar. What lesson do you need? Please let me know into comment section below. And before leaving from here, please make sure to subscribe this channel and press notification bell to be updated. Thank you very much. Hope you like this video. We'll meet soon.